Okay, so in that video, or that demonstration, should I say, is using the kettlebell to help with opening out the chest. Now, it may look simple, but it's very challenging. So it's very important that you start off with, if you're a beginner, maybe 2 to 4 kg. Now, all I'm trying to do is trying to punch the air so my arm is fully locked out. But within that, I'm trying to open out my chest. So what most likely is going to happen with some people is they're going to try and drag their arm behind them when that cue gets mentioned. When in fact it's that, and then you see I've opened out my chest. So the kettlebell didn't really necessarily move. And all it's doing is getting you used to being able to open out your chest while being in a nice relaxed state. Because most people commonly, when they're sitting down at desks or just in poor posture, they're not able to just be able to relax, control their breathing while holding something upright. So again, to demonstrate, I'm going to be having the kettlebell in line with my stomach, roll across, I get my hands underneath it, and I just roll back over with it. Together with both hands, I punch up into the ceiling, getting the kettlebell set in that across the palm, as there's a video that explains that. From here, I'm going to be putting my palm down, and then the leg that is not in line with the kettlebell is going to be down, and I'm going to roll over using the foot. And as mentioned, I'm not bending my elbow, I'm punching the ceiling. And then again, I'm trying to open up the chest to be able to keep this open. I can just lie my head down if I need to, or I can keep my eyes on the kettlebell. But the key is to open out the chest while I'm in that position. Beware that your shoulder might be shrugging, so you've got to pull your shoulder away from your ear, and then rolling back, bring it back down and return. You want to try and make sure that you're holding this for at least 20 to 30 seconds, swapping each side, maybe 1 to 2 sets a go. Give that a go, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a DM anytime.